For centuries, the Puri Jagannath Temple in Odisha has stood as a beacon of faith, devotion, and mystery. Pilgrims from across the world come to seek blessings. The temple has a deep historical and mythological significance, shrouded in mysteries and legends. According to Hindu scriptures, the origins of the temple trace back to King Indradyumna, a legendary ruler of the Malwa region. As per the Skanda Purana and other texts, the king had a divine vision instructing him to find the mysterious Nila Madhava idol, an incarnation of Vishnu, worshipped by the Savara tribal community. However, the idol mysteriously disappeared before he could reach it. Following divine guidance, Lord Vishnu himself ordered King Indradyumna to build a grand temple where he would manifest in a new form. It is believed that Vishwakarma, the divine architect, secretly carved the deities of Jagannath, Balabhadra and Subhadra from a sacred log of wood, Daru Brahma, but left them incomplete before disappearing. These unfinished idols were enshrined in the temple as per divine will, marking the birth of the Jagannath cult. The temple we see today was built in the 12th century CE by King Anantavarman Chodagangadeva, the ruler of the Eastern Ganga dynasty. He was a great patron of Hinduism and initiated the construction of the massive stone structure that still stands today. Yet within its towering structure lies a secret, a chamber that has remained sealed for generations. The temple, built in the 12th century, is unlike any other. Its construction defies logic. No birds fly over it, no shadow is cast at any time of the day. But among its many wonders, one mystery has puzzled historians and devotees alike: the sealed chamber known as Bhittar Bhandar, or the inner treasury. What lies inside this forbidden chamber? The government of India, along with the temple authorities, has always maintained a strict stance. This chamber must never be opened. Some claim it is out of respect for religious sentiments, while others whisper that it is something far more serious. Official temple records suggest that the chamber was sealed using an ancient ritual, a method now lost to time. Some believe that attempting to break open the chamber through modern means could bring disastrous consequences, not just spiritually, but physically. The temple administration has repeatedly warned that disrupting the sanctity of this room might lead to structural damage or even unpredictable occurrences. Despite the secrecy, there have been requests to uncover the truth. Historians, archaeologists, and even government officials have speculated about the possibility of hidden artifacts, scriptures, or even lost treasures inside. However, each time such a proposal arises, it is quickly dismissed. Some believe the government is well aware of what lies beyond the doors, but chooses to keep it concealed to prevent mass hysteria. There have also been reports, unofficial and shrouded in secrecy, that past attempts to investigate the chamber have led to strange and unexplainable events. Officials who once suggested a scientific approach to explore the chamber have either withdrawn their statements or have been reassigned, fueling theories that something is being hidden from the public. So why does the government refuse to investigate further? Is it purely religious sentiment, or is there something inside that should never be revealed? One thing is certain: until the day the chamber is unsealed, the mystery of the Puri Jagannath Temple will remain one of India's greatest unsolved secrets.